Hi there zine friends, my name's Chloe Henderson and welcome to coinoperatedpress. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a little time lapse of the illustration that I did for the front cover of our Earth Zine. Our Earth Zine is a celebration of Earth Day 2021. We invited artists to share their thoughts on the climate crisis, their tips for living a more environmentally friendly lifestyle, which animals they'll miss the most if they're driven to extinction, their Earth Day posters and their artwork and how they practice sustainability, as well as which energy sources they think might make the greatest difference in the future, and their predictions for the future of our Earth, as well as all of their thoughts on the wide world of environmentalism. And they responded magnificently. Inside our zine you'll find 21 eco-friendly creators sharing their love for the beautiful planet through their illustrations, photography, poetry, illustration and so much more. Happy Earth Day! And please reuse and recycle our zine once you're finished reading it. There's still a few copies left in our store, although not that many, so I think we'll probably end up doing a second print run on this zine because it's been so popular. Thank you so much to everyone who's bought one so far. But I will leave a link to our shop down in the description below, so if you want to grab yourself a copy, do check out our store, and there's a bunch of other awesome zines in there too, and hopefully you'll enjoy our little Earth zine. But yeah, this is my little time lapse of the illustration process, and then you can see that I've taken my illustration and I've popped it digitally into the zine. I've added the background and our shiny little nails from our coin-op recyclable bags, which is what we use to ship all of our zines in, and that's why I decided to use that as a detail on the front cover of this zine. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this little video of our Earth Zine front cover creation. So as I said, do be sure to check out the link in the description below and head to our shop and check out the Earth Zine. Thank you so much for watching today, and do be sure to hit that subscribe button as we make lots of lovely zine content and I wouldn't want you to miss any of it. Thank you so much for watching, see you in our next video, bye!